Hi everyone, welcome to the unboxing and review of the HAMSWAN single-serve coffee maker. You can get this product on Amazon for about $50. Check out the link in the description. With the 2-in-1 coffee machine, you can choose between brewing ground coffee and capsules. My first impression is very positive. It's a nice looking coffee machine and it seems like it's easy to use and easy to clean. It's very easy to use the automatic cleaning function. You just have to fill the tank with water and press the two buttons at the same time. If you want to make ground coffee, you just have to add the coffee in the filter screen and press the lower button. The machine begins to heat and the coffee is ready in about 2 minutes. The coffee cup stands too low and the coffee is splashing a little bit. I wish this coffee machine had an adjustable cup holder. If you want to make capsule coffee, you just have to insert the coffee capsule into the capsule box and press the upper button. I tested the coffee maker for a couple of days and I think it's a very nice product. If you're looking for a 2-in-1 coffee machine, I would recommend the HAMSWAN single-serve coffee maker. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.